This is the Range Rover Autobiography in metallic Corris grey. As you can see, you have a black contrasting roof, 22-inch alloys, privacy glass, an electrically deployable tow bar, and keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, you have illuminated aluminium tread plates, along with an ebony leather interior and executive rear class seats. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light, a front centre cooler compartment, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone, and ambient lighting. There's several different colours to choose from, which looks cool, especially at night. You also have a 360-degree camera and park assist, sat nav and other functions which can be controlled using the buttons on the wheel, cruise control with Q assist and a heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled massage seats in the front, which is a luxury in summer and winter. All seats in the car are also memory, but the driver's seat is ideal if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. Stepping back outside the vehicle, you also have cabin preconditioning with a remote, and that was the Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.